Now, today our topic is structures in C. So let's begin. So basically, if we talk about definition, structure in C is a user-defined data type. Means it is not defined in predefined library. It is user-defined to store collection and different type of data elements like integer, float, boolean, character, etc. Struct keyword is used to define a structure. We can imagine a struct or a structure as a box which can contain anything, literally anything from an integer, character, boolean, float, double, anything. So let's begin a code to demonstrate structure. So let's begin. Okay, I'll include some header files. stdio.h, include string.h, struct student. Student will have integer roll number, character name 50, and roll number name and city name. City 50 capacity. Okay, so let's proceed with it. Okay, so I will name student as S1 and S2. So these are my students. I'll write int main now I will assign the values. Okay, I'll copy it because it is used very frequently. Printf enter name, scanf percentage s, and assign it into s1 dot name. Similarly, enter roll scanf and assign it into s1 dot city. Let's compile the program running fast. Hey, Jugal 3212 city Udaipur. Roll number 1 details. Name is Jugal. Roll number is 212 city is Udaipur. So let's repeat the process again for roll number 2. So I copy paste roll number 2 name s2 dot name S2 dot name, S2 dot city. So it's done perfect. Let's execute, compile and run. Enter details of roll number 1, enter name. My name is Khan. Roll number 007. City, New York. Hey, enter details of roll number 2. So roll number 2 is Junaid. So it is not scanning properly for S2. Let's check out the error. S2 dot roll. So the program is running very successfully. It is printing my name is Jugal, roll number 23, city is Ajmer, roll number 2 details, name is Junaid, roll number is 35 and city is Sholapur. So that's how it works. So that's it for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.